Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing with 651. I'm not sure if you remember that train. I think I made another video of the 651. By the way, the track is right over there. There's the track back. And I'm gonna be trying to set this track up. I might make mistakes. And if I make any mistakes, I will show you. As you can see, I got two track switches. So right now I'm changing the track. Okay, as you can see, I finished the track. And you remember 651, don't you? The train 651 with the little engineer in here, Mr. Engineer, the engineer person, whatever you want to call him. I'm just gonna like put the train on real quick. Okay, so 651 is placed there, except the batteries need to be changed. So you might have to wait for a second. I couldn't find any batteries, so I'm just gonna have to play with it with my hands. I also have another one, and it's a steam train with the coal cars in the air. See it? And there's the engineer. Oh, and I also added a new feature. That lever wasn't there before. See it? It wasn't there before. This one. I'm not pointing at the conductor. I'll just move his hand or up. This thing. See? See? Now do you see it? That? You can't see it. Now can you see it? Oh, hello, people in the camera. What are you doing here today? Now, wait. Okay, you better get off the tracks before I hit you with my train. Hurry up! Or else I'm gonna stop going. Cool train, isn't it? It's a high-speed train, also known as a bullet. Well, I mean a bullet train for real. Isn't it? It looks like there's a steam train blocking the other track. I'm good. I think it's blocked. I think it's on the other one. Uh-oh. The track already switched. Haha. No.
Wait. Wait.
Ah!
Oh, come on, I lost my train. I'm glad you didn't get on it.